Hey guys, it's Eileen from Loving Plants, and I am at the Biltmore Estate in Asheville, North Carolina. You can see a little bit the tip of the house. We just came from there. I'll show some pictures. There's some interesting plant-related things in that house, obviously, because they had their very own conservatory built. So I'm gonna take some pictures and we'll get right back. Look how adorable this model of the Biltmore is. And then there is a train track. I hear the train. I officially do not see it yet, but it goes all the way around. It's like a fairy garden train track with these like wooden bridges and look how cute. Oh my gosh, look at this wonderland. Babe, I need a selfie. All right, I'm very excited. Does anyone use that term self anymore? I don't know, I guess I do. Guys, look at this massive Calathea zebrina. My Calathea is like a couple leaves versus this. Oh gosh, and that's a Tenanthe. I think that's the Burl Marks kind. They're huge. And you know, the truth is we don't know how long these have been growing in this location. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this zebrina. Oh, hello zebrina. Oh my god, I mean like, look at her. Covered by, oh my gosh, what is that, the elephant ears or?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, look at this, there's the train. Oh my gosh, there's the train. Look at it. There's a little trolley going through a gate. Okay, that is stinking adorable. That is so fairy gardenish, I can't even stand it. That's so cute. No, that's one fiddly fig.
It's our the orchid, the orchid we just got. What do they call the pots?
Oh, it's that we got at Terrain.
No, but what's the plant called? Not that specific orchid, but the painter or what do they call it? They have the pots.
I can't remember.
Anyway, that's the orchid we just got.
We just got him. Now this is a model of the stables. I just can't even get over the complexity and the detail in those models. They actually show the stable picture right here. Look at that. More giant Calatheas.
Look, there's another Calathea.
Yeah, there's another Tenanthe or
that was one up.
Stromanthe. Look how big.
There's there. That's the Calathea there.
Calatheas everywhere. Oh my god. This train, I'm sorry, I know I've said it like a million times, but like
it's coming.
We do hear it.
That trolley car is from this way, but the train's coming. It's coming up.
The train is coming.
See the light?
Alright, let's see. Oh, I see it. All right.
It's going to come right here in a minute.
So we'll walk down and we'll get this train. Oh wait, wait a minute, there's another one. I wasn't even ready for him.
Oh, this is the other one.
Let me turn it back around. There he is. There he is. Look how super cute. I don't know why I'm so humored, but I am absolutely humored by this. This conservatory is really, really adorable. And then here comes again the model of the house.
Biltmore house
so
with
cute.
fountain and ramp douche. Smells of ramp douche.
Juice? Look at that view of the house. Wow, there's the fountain. These models, oh my gosh, so cute. Look at that hanging basket. Quite spectacular. Quite spectacular. Gardener, he had his cottage.
Like, see, I want that. over
Yeah,
the Biltmore
I would
any
definitely
day.
want this over the
I don't know,
Biltmore.
it's Simpleton, I guess. Like, I
No,
love
it's just
that.
cozier than the big. You know, I'm obsessed.
He's about to come over to Big Bird.
Look at this model of conservatory. Oh, here comes the train again. This is like a big playhouse for like a kid. I mean, the plants are just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, there's the poly.
Allocation, right?
Oh, allocate. Look, wait. Babe, congratulations. You knew that was an allocation poly. These polka dot begonias. The hot house, this is called.
And this guy,
Oh boy, some monstera.
he's having some issues with his leaves, but I like him.
Is he fuzzy?
This guy, no.
I love this color.
Huh.
You do.
I do.
Think you were an orange person. No. I can't remember what it is. It's not Bird Paradise. Bird Paradise is like this.
Oh, yeah, I know. I know exactly what that is.
Oh, look at that giant philodendron. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. With the, look at that canopy. Wow. There's a leaf. Wow. Look at that. That is awesome. Super, super awesome. Whoa, look at the bark on that and the vines. Oh, wait. Why am I saying bark? This is the aerial root. So this is, tell me that's the size of the philodendron. Look at that. Babe, you gotta look at this a minute. This is the philodendron, right? And then look, that's his stem.
Yeah.
There's his aerial roots. What in the what?
Massive. It was probably 60 years old.
Oh my
I mean, I'm sure
gosh.
most of this was the original planting.
It's amazing.
You know, you got like Home Depot, you got that little tiny terracotta pot with that little ball cactus.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like when it's 40 years old. Look at the
Oh my
size
God,
of
look at him. Whoa, look at these cactuses. Or cacti. I shouldn't say cactuses.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, I need to do better than that. Wow.
Oh boy.
Look at
Oh,
this.
baby, look. It's a
What'd you
fuzzy
find?
pepper face.
You found it in Canada.
Oh, feel him.
Oh, hello.
He's so soft.
We love our fuzzy pepper faces. Oh, we love that. That's become our favorite plant, hasn't it, babe?
Yeah. Well, that's it.
Well, that was really amazing.
That's where we want it.
Hey guys, so now we drove back down and around, honestly, because our legs were getting so tired after walking the house and everything, but they have a little shop, a gardener's shop, so we're gonna check it out. Cute little pots. Oh. Look at that bench. Super cute. Let's see what this says. Oh my gosh, these are the best handles.